Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Google Pixel 10 Pro XL, and let me share with you how to free up storage without removing the apps. So first of all, I highly recommend to remove cache. So let's start by opening the settings. Here at the top we have to find this apps section and tap on it, and then go to see all 42 apps, of course 42 in my case. And here we've got the list of apps which are currently installed on our device, and what I highly recommend to do is to go through all of them, especially those which are using frequently, but as I said, all of them is fine. And remove cache. So for example, let me open the contacts, just tap on the app and then go to storage and cache. Here we've got this cache section, and basically cache files are junk files which are saved by your device. They are not necessary for the proper usage of the app, but they are occupying some memory. So I highly recommend to simply tap on clear cache. Your device will immediately delete them, and thanks to it you will release some memory. I do not recommend tapping on clear storage unless you wish to have a brand new app without any kind of data, etc. So after going through those apps and removing cache, I highly recommend to simply reset your device. So just press the power button and press it long enough until you see this pop-out window, and then tap on reset. Basically, the reset operation will kind of confirm all of the changes you've made thanks to removing the cache. So this is how to release some memory. The second way is to check your downloads, because let's be honest, usually we are downloading a lot of stuff and then we forget about it. So I highly recommend to simply find your file manager. It doesn't matter whether you're using this one or any kind of third-party manager. Just go to the files and then find the downloads. And basically tap on it and go through all of those files you've got here and decide which one can be removed, because sometimes we're storing a lot of files which are really large and they're occupying a lot of memory. Or we've got duplicated files, or we've got the files which we are not using at all and we don't really need them. So try to remove something from the downloads. And as a third option, I highly recommend considering a backup. We've got a detailed video of how to enable the backup on this device and how to back up your data. You can check our video. I highly recommend that. Basically, you can choose any kind of platform you wish. You can use OneDrive, you can use Dropbox, whatever site, whatever area you wish. But it is a really nice option, because not only you will copy and back up your photos and videos, which usually occupy a lot of memory, so you will have a copy of them. Moreover, you will keep them in a safe place, because if something's wrong with your device, for example, it will stop working suddenly, then you will lose the access to your files. So I highly recommend the backup because of that. And the second or the third advantage, I believe, is that you will be able to remove your photos and videos from your device's memory. Thanks to it, you will release the memory and you won't have to remove the apps. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.